My name is Andrea Hinkles. Thank you so much for joining me here today for this meditation to help us come into complete alignment with our authentic selves, with the highest version of ourselves, with the most joy-filled, confident version of ourselves. So when you're ready, get into a comfortable position, either sitting up with your back straight or lying down, everything uncrossed. And when you're ready, bring your attention to your breath. Let your eyes close and begin to go within. To let go of the day, to let go of the past, to let go of the future. Just bringing all your attention right here to your breath and to this moment. Just focusing on each inhale and exhale. Feeling any and all tension leave your body, leave your forehead, your temples, your jaw, allowing your neck to relax, your shoulders to relax, all the way down your arms through your fingertips, just allowing everything to completely relax. And your torso now, your hips, your glutes, just feeling everything release and let go. Reminding yourself that there's nothing you need to hold on to. And just breathing. Fully relaxing your entire leg, both legs now, your ankles, your feet, and your toes just completely relaxed. And as every muscle in your body continues to relax, you feel your spine come into complete alignment. Each and every vertebrae completely aligned in your neck, your upper back, your middle back, the lower back, the sacrum, just all completely aligned. Breathing. And as you relax even further, you feel all of your chakras completely aligned, spinning and open. Continuing to breathe, feeling every energy center in your body completely open, in perfect flow, completely aligned. And as you continue to breathe and relax, you let anything that needs to adjust itself do so, allowing every single piece of you to come into complete alignment and harmony with perfect health, optimal well-being, ease, flow, and joy. And as I say the following statements, you take them in as your own. And if you find it relaxing, you can even repeat them in your mind or out loud to yourself. I am in complete alignment with my soul's highest purpose. I am in complete alignment with my heart. My beliefs are in complete alignment with the highest version of myself. My beliefs are in complete alignment with the highest version of every aspect of my life. I am completely aligned with trust. I am in complete alignment with peace and harmony. I am in complete alignment with love and joy. I am in complete alignment with success and all that word means to me. I am in complete alignment with abundance. I am in complete alignment with the highest and best available. I am in complete alignment with the highest and best in this life. I am in complete alignment with my calling and my purpose. I am in complete alignment with fulfillment. I am in complete alignment with ease and flow. I am in complete alignment with fun. I am in complete alignment with satisfaction. I am in complete alignment with compassion and understanding. I am in complete alignment with confidence. I am in complete alignment with empowered thinking. I am in complete alignment with optimal health and vitality. I am in complete alignment with beauty. I am in complete alignment with freedom. I am in complete alignment with security, safety, and stability. I am in complete alignment with wealth and prosperity. I am completely aligned with my authentic self. I am completely aligned with my own divinity. I am in complete alignment with clarity. I am in complete alignment with creation. I am completely aligned with infinite and unconditional love. I am completely aligned with all the ideas and beliefs that best serve the most incredible version of myself and my life. I am completely aligned with wisdom. I am completely aligned with the highest good. I am completely aligned and open to miracles and magic manifesting in my life. I am completely aligned with the feeling of wholeness. I am completely aligned with ease. I am completely aligned with the highest and most joy-filled version of my life. I am in perfect alignment. I am in perfect alignment with all that serves me and feels good to me. I am aligned and allow inspiration to continue to flow to me for the most magical, magnificent, miraculous life. I claim this alignment easily and effortlessly. I allow myself to feel wonderful, and so it is. Allowing yourself to continue to breathe. And when you are ready, on your next breath, you can open your eyes, stretch your body, and know that you are perfectly aligned. Thank you again for joining me here today. My name is Andrea Henkels. I'd love to support you in anything you are looking to manifest in your life. More information on how we can work together is available below in the comments. I love you so.